Alright, so here recently, Hearthstone came out on Android tablets, which is awesome because I hated having to jump on my computer every day just to play Hearthstone. It's annoying. I want to be able to whip out my phone or my tablet, whatever, and play it. Well, of course, somebody in the Android community was a genius and figured out how to put Hearthstone on your Android phone. Hopefully you have a phone with like Android ice cream sandwich or something better. I don't know how it works on anything less than Kit Kat because I have Android 5.0. And it runs beautifully. I love it. It's amazing. I played like 4 matches today and was kicking ass. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to mod the file, which is this APK, epic. We're gonna mod this file and then place these on your phone in a certain directory that where they're needed to be. So what you can do, you can either go to the links below and download the modded APK file that I modded myself, which is on my phone and working properly and beautifully, and these 2 OBB files right here. Or you can be one of those people who want to do everything on your own and make sure everything's legit, which I don't blame you. I do it too. I did it. I had the chance to go get those already modded files and I was like, screw this, I'm gonna do it myself. So what you want to do is go to the links below, and if you're gonna mod it, you will also need APK Studio and Telerik Just Decompile. These 2 programs you will need to mod the files within the APK. If you're just going to download the modded files and put them on your phone, you can skip to a certain point in this video and I will show you how to put them on your phone and install it. So what you want to do is, of course, pause the video now, download the needed files and these programs, and then you can come back. So what you want to do is, after you install this, APK Studio installs like this. You don't actually install it, it's a program within a folder, so that's a good thing. And Just Decompile actually installs. You have to go through these install prompts and put in your information to subscribe, blah blah blah. You can put in a bunch of bogus crap. It doesn't matter. They asked me for my company name and I called it doo-doo. Because why am I going to put my company name on there? No. Okay. So what you want to do is open up APK Studio right here. Yes, I want to run it. Get out of here. Stretch this out a bit. Click on Decompile APK. Name it Hearthstone. Browse. You want to choose the APK that's on the desktop part. And then of course you want to create a Hearthstone folder over here. I don't know why I still have this. Let me delete this real quick. I already have a backup of that. It's all good. New folder, Hearthstone, enter. Excuse. Sorry about that. My son's watching Mickey on the tablet, and Mickey went off the screen. He got pissed off. So you want to click for project location, click browse, select the Hearthstone folder that we just created, select folder, click create. It will do its thing, it will decompile, which will tell you everything over here, and then of course the green bar will do what green bars do. They will look like they're loading something, but really they're doing nothing. I'll wait for this to load. God, this may take forever. Oh, wow. Each time I do it, it gets faster and faster. That's cool. Alright, so you want to open up Android Manifest right here. Then once this is open, let's stretch this a bit. You want to go over to where it says support screens, Android large screens. You notice it says true. That's so it'll pick up on large screens. Of course, it's coding crap, apps, blah blah blah. What you want to do is go to where it says Android normal screens, type true, small screens, true. So for every large screen it is true. So now once we change the value that we need to change in a minute, it will pick up on any screen. And what you want to do is click File, Save. Okay, once that's done, you want to open up Just Decompile. Open Files, Assembly C#.dll. Open that up. Before we do anything, click on the Plugins button up here. Click on Plugins Manager. You want to go down here to where it says Assembly Editor. Of course, there'll be a download button right here. It's not there because I already have it. You'll click on it. You'll click yes, like 1, 2, 3, 20. I'm kidding. Like once or twice. It'll download. Then it'll look like this, and it'll show up here that it's downloaded. Of course, you want to make sure that box right here is checked, or it won't work. Close out of that. Open up this. Open up that. Open up default namespace. Scroll down to Mobile Callback Manager. Where are you? Right here. You want to open that up. Scroll down to where it says Get whatever this is. I don't feel like trying to figure out. Mobile Callback Manager. So the reason I had you download that plugin is because we needed to use this. It's called Reflexill. It lets you edit values within coding of DLL files. You want to click on Reflexill. It'll bring up this little menu down here, and you'll want to go through these codes right here and find public static bool is Android device tablet sized. Okay, now what that'll do is open up the size tablet restrictions, and of course in numeral 2 offset 10 you'll see where it says 6 in the operand. I don't even think this is the word, I may be wrong, but you'll see it says 6, and that is relating to the size of the screen, because of course, as you know right now, it's only on tablets. So what you'll do, edit it, change that to 1, click update. And the reason it's at 6 is because, of course, like I said earlier, it's because of the tablets or those ridiculously large Galaxy Megas. Like, I don't even know how people can hold them in their I said fan, their hands. I don't even know how do you walk around with that thing up to your ear? Like, that's a phablet, man. Get out of here. Okay, so once that's changed, you'll want to click on replace all with code. Of course, right click on that row right there, replace all with code. It'll pop this up. Don't click anything, just click cancel. Now scroll up to the very top again, click on assembly C#. Mickey went off screen again. He's pissed. It's right there, kid. Hold on, he's right there. God, he doesn't like it when Mickey leaves the screen. Okay, sorry. We'll go back to Reflexill version 1.8. Click Save As. Do not click Save and Reload. Click Save As. It will save it as assembly c#.patch.dll. Leave it like that. Click Save. Now close that. Open up your Hearthstone folder. Go to Hearthstone, Assets, Bin, Data, Managed, right here. So here's the file that you just edited right here, the patched file. What you want to do is delete the top one, c#.dll. Boom, gone. Take this, and you want to rename it. What you want to do is take out the .patched. So once you delete it, it will look exactly like that file you just deleted did. Save that, boom, done. Alright, close this. Go back to APK Studio. God, I went brain dead. Sorry. While that's all done, you've done and edited the size restrictions. You made sure that small screens are able to play the game via APK Studio and the true values. Everything is done now. So what you need to do is go ahead and click on this little hammer right here. What it'll do is it'll rebuild the application. See, it says recompiling, yada yada yada, and of course green bars doing what it does. It's doing its job. We can give it props for that. You'll go into your Hearthstone folder again, Hearthstone build. Right now you see it says recompile.apk. That's because it's being recompiled now, as you can see. Once it's done, it will say rebuilt.apk, which is the file that I uploaded and I rebuilt this morning when I got off of work via this process. And it's about to rebuild it and pop it up. Or my computer is thinking a lot for some reason. Yep, see, there it is. Okay. Now that that's done, what you want to do is get everything's done, rebuilt successfully, close. Do you want to close? Yes. Okay. Now what you'll do, you'll pull up cords, plug in your phone. Alright, phone's plugged in. What you want to do is go here. God, why do I have 1 gig left? What is going on? Sorry. You go into Android. Of course, in your internal storage, the phone storage, not your SD card storage, because you won't. I don't believe you'll find this on there. I don't know. You go into your phone internal storage, click on the Android folder, click on OBB, and then you'll need to go in here and create a folder that has this name: com.blizzard.wtcg.hearthstone. Once you create that folder, open it up, and then you'll need to take these 2 files that are right here, the main and patch OBB file. Drag and drop them in here. It'll paste them. Everything will be good to go. Back out. Go back to your internal storage. Now, this doesn't matter where you put this. It's just the APK file. What you want to do is go and get the rebuilt.apk file that we just rebuilt, that I showed you earlier. It's on desktop. If you did it like I did, Hearthstone, build, rebuilt.apk. This is when you'll take this, just this, nothing else, drag and drop it on your phone, put it whatever folder you want. I put mine in my download folder because it gave me easier access. I knew exactly where it was at. Once that's done, you'll go ahead, you'll go ahead and jump on your cell phone, go through your file manager, find that APK file, the rebuilt.apk. Click on it. It'll ask if you want to install it. Now, if you don't have install from unknown sources turned on, it'll ask you to do that. It'll ask you to prompt you to turn it on. So for this, you can turn it on, install Hearthstone, and then turn it back off. It doesn't matter. As long as it's on when you're installing Hearthstone, you'll be good. Once that's done, you can go ahead and open the app, and it should work from there. Mine did. Worked perfectly. I was scared because the loading screen was like creeping at the very last second. I was like, fudge. But it worked. I did encounter one error when I first tried to log in with my battle.net credentials. When I clicked login, it said it wasn't able to load the URL for the login, and it gave me an error code. What I did is backed out, killed the application, relaunched it, logged in, and it popped up. It let me log in. So if that happens to you, try exit out of it, kill it, reload it, see what happens. If that doesn't work, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. There might be something on Reddit on how to fix that, but I can almost guarantee it will work because it did for me. Well, if you want to, you can hit me up on Hearthstone. Name is Shaunicus. Like my YouTube name, just take out the gaming and just hit me up. I can kick your ass. Let's go. I'm down. You down? Let's go. I'll see you on the card field. Later.